What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Solana token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we should hit the price target of $270.32 as our primary target, but we didn't hit it. We missed it by about 2.5 up to 3%, not more than 3.5%, and it is what it is. It happens, and for now we have the top of our fifth wave right here. Let me show it to you at this very point. And from our major accumulation point, when we were at this formation from the range of about $155, we were up to its all-time high for about 67%. And I also told you that you should put your stop loss at the range of about $182 right here. If you would broken below this range, it indicates that this movement is invalidated. And from our entry point to our stop loss range, we had about 20% of potential profits. So quite good profits, and definitely all of you are in green. And I didn't cover this movement to the downside because it didn't have enough demand from the viewers. That's why I'm making the video right now, and let me show you why I do so. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom, let me switch to daily time frame and let me show you the log scale. So, as you can see, we've completed all 5 wave structure, and if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, we hit the golden pocket pattern and we had a reaction. Technically, we broke it to the downside and found support with this previous swing high. As you can see right here, very good resistance, and it becomes a support. And we went higher. From its lowest point, it surged up for about 30%. And what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in my analysis. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment of the market. We are sitting at $1.77 trillion of total market cap. It is a 1.27% increase over the last day. And definitely all major cryptocurrencies are in green. Bitcoin on 24 hours period has about 0.5%, Ethereum has about 2.6%, and BNB has 1.3%. But on a 7 days period, gains are slightly higher. For Bitcoin it is about 5%, for Ethereum it is 13.1%, and for BNB it is 1.5%. So technically we have very good bounce to the upside, and I think we already passed the local bottom for the cryptocurrencies, and I made a video about the Federal Reserve's statements, new statements from 3 chairmen of Federal Reserve, and I highly recommend you to watch this video. And according to this information, we might have about 3 to 6 months of next bull market in foreseeable future, and that's why we have to be prepared for this. So, and let's continue with the Solana numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $34.59 billion. It is higher than it was previously for about 7.5%. And the volume, total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $3.62 billion. It is also a huge increase for 84.8%. And let me show you that we have movement to the upside with increasing volume. And let me show you on its price chart. We have this interest right after we had this, let me show you more thoroughly. Right after we had this massive sell-off with a huge volume. Some kind of consolidation phase exactly in the golden pocket, and the next leg to the upside with increasing volume right here, and definitely it is a good sign. So let me show you what was the reason of this movement. So on newsbtc.com we have this article that was published just 2 hours ago, and it says Solana's outlook bullish post-Phantom's fundraising round. And let me quote you this. Solana was on rebound as the coin was seen trading above the $100 mark. At the time of writing, Solana was exchanging hands at $107.82. This token's recovery came right after Phantom, Solana's native wallet, concluded a successful fundraising round. In recent times, as cryptocurrency market experienced a major sell-off, Solana too hovered at the oversold zone. And definitely the successful fundraising round was one of the catalysts, but we have another one, and let me show you this article. On dailyhodl.com, this article was published on February the 1st, and it says, Coinbase lists 2 low-cap altcoins built on Solana, triggering rallies. And these 2 altcoins is Bonfida, ticker symbol is FIDA, and Orca, ticker symbol ORCA. And because these tokens are Solana-based projects, Solana also has an impact in its price, and that's why we have this movement to the upside. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. First of all, guys, let's switch to 4 hours time frame and let me show you more thoroughly this movement. As you can see, we have some kind of channel if we connect all the bottoms and the tops, some kind like this. We have the channel, and definitely these type of channels breaks to the upside. We had 2 false breakouts, as you can see right here, and eventually we went even lower. But these 2 resistance and supports hold pretty good. And in my opinion, if the total sentiment for the crypto industry remains bullish, we will break this formation to the upside, and definitely the golden pocket pattern and this previous resistance that becomes a support might be a very good confluence range from which we might have next huge leg to the upside. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, as you can see, from our current price to potential swing low, we have about 27% of downside potential. If you are tolerant enough, you can put your stop loss right here below this previous bottom, because if we will break it to the downside, definitely we will see lower prices. But on the same time, you have to accumulate your position on the way down, and technically we might hit the level of about $98 or $100 from this range again, and then have a good bounce to the upside. This means if you want to enter your position for the long term with this asset, just do your own due diligence, and I have to say that fundamentally this protocol is very promising and it has a huge upside potential in my opinion. But all in all, if Bitcoin will have a sell-off, all the cryptocurrencies will have a bloodbath as well. And that's why you have to protect your capital first of all, and that's why you have to put your stop loss at the previous swing low. So, and what are the targets? Let me show you that if I project the length from the top of this wave to the bottom of this wave, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool. And in worst case scenario, we have to have at least a bounce. Let me turn off unnecessary tool. And this bounce should be at least to the range of $124.45. And most likely we will hit 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. It is $150 price point. And from our current price, or depending on your entry point, to our first target we might have about 14%, and to the second target we might have about 38%. But if you will ladder your buys down and your average price in this case will be much more attractive, you will have up to 60% of potential profits to the $150 price point. So, and I have to say that it is only the short-term projection in a matter of next several weeks. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!